Paano ba buong kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Seasoning here in Pampanga. At yung ngayon kay Angeles City and feature me ang ining Happy Judah Milk Tea and more. Located dyan ni Kening stall number 2 ng Johnny's Supermarket along Sto.Rosario Street, Angeles City. Nepo kasaguling akit. So ngayon nga doon ni nanula kaya rin sa serve da, nanula rin milk teas da. So with the upcoming milk tea wars kay ni Pampanga, papya kaya ine o nak? Namentam. Balen, dakala salamat minsan pa uling abayan nyo kami Kening vlog ay ni. Pagpasalamat kami muna man ting Happy Judah kasi in-invite na kami to taste their line of milk teas. Like I said, kareng uproaring milk tea war. So may tungili kami, may message na kaya kami na try miya. So thank you very much for inviting us. As you can see, kay table tamo na nakadakala samples for us to taste. Before we start, puri ko lang lagay ring attention yung kining mga plate tamo kayo. So this is cheesecake and this is cream puff. In difference, upon getting explanation kayo, this is a cloud of cream while this one is a galaxy of cream. So there's the difference. The milk tea na kayo ni are section into like the classic ones, the cheesecake milk teas, cream puff milk teas. They also have the selection for the matcha milk teas. It's up to you to choose. Pero look at these guys. Kenny pa mo talagang lupang it's gonna be an overload of flavor. But before that, we're gonna taste it. Yung muna tamang takman in cream puff ka. So these are all handcrafted. Hindi na talagang kumbaga formulate ka rin. Let's taste it. Wow. As in super, kakain na kayong kaya lasa talagang cake. Wala mong pastry, something na mga kagaling ayos. Okay, so next na mong takman nini. Wow. Let's taste it. So atin yung hindi nakapagka-sour. Diba, itong cheese, atakman mo talaga na rin ang itong bits na itong cheese. Yaman ang palaman. Okay, so let's get into the meat of the review. We're gonna taste one by one. This is the roasted hazelnut Nutella. As low as 85 pesos, you're gonna have this guy right here. Wow, I'm excited guys. Wow, parang na ako talagang ala sa mitang titang aroma na ng roast nuts, which is the hazelnut. As soon as it enter your mouth, talagang itakagading alas. This one has a cheesecake in it. Shake tayo pa para manikmata. There you go. Yamana. By the way, before we continue, hindi pa lang Happy Judah, you can actually request for your preferred mix or flavor. So for example, you want it mas saturated in tea, you prefer more milk naman. So although it costs a little bit for the store, pero they will gladly cater to your preference, di ba? Okay, so next to taste is the cream puff malt chocolate. So we're gonna shake it first. Shake that again. Let's taste it. If you have never ever, which is I think never ever tried a milk tea, this is where you start. It has a friendly taste. There are times na overpower na rin ang tea. And then suddenly, hindi mo na buri. May times naman hindi mo tolerate itong milk. But this one has, like I said, it has a friendly approach. You want to start your milk tea journey, this is where you start. Trivia before we continue, the word Happy Judah came from the word Lion of Judah. Kung pansinan nyo yung logo that has a lion in it, it's crush kayo ni ating portraits of lion. Kasi pinitay itang bulidang feel ka rin tao kayo ni. There's a fatherly love piniting kay. Quick trivia. So next to taste, of course, is a classic Graham. A lot of you most probably has tasted this. See, this is one of the popular flavors carrying milk teas. Classic Graham, that's right. Wow. Wow. One more. For this one, nung bisa kang heavy feeling, this is the one to order. Kumbaga yung pamangan, all-in-one niya. So you have your drinks, you have your dessert. This is the cup to order, Classic Graham. Ito, we would also like to mention this product. Apin nining substitute kayong regular sugar. So if you are constrained with the regular sugar pero you still wanna enjoy of course, milk tea. Just add 10 pesos and they're gonna substitute the regular sugar with this one. So next to taste is, this is dark chocolate cheesecake. Mas mapait yung ano nito. So let's go taste it. Wow! Wow! Super, alila maglaram. This is authentic dark chocolate right here. On my fourth taste, this is the one to order. Magaling yung manyaman nyo. Yaman na. Now it's time for us to try matcha cookies. So again, there was a time na talagang may uso na rin matcha. Actually, up until now, they included the flavor of matcha to other like coffee, to other fruit juices and drinks. Of course, definitely, nasa milk tea din siya, diba? So, let's try it. Wow! Wow! For me, itong formulation na ning milk tea plus matcha is just good. Sabi ko dati, I'm not a matcha person. I'm gonna order this one, but the way they formulated this one is just fit for me kasi hindi masyadong mapait. So, parang na ako, o kaya papya. Let's try it once again. This is why I love my job. Wow. Okay ta, so a better way to enjoy itang kanilang ube milk tea is hindi may pa akong shake. Walang mas manya-manya na you get the bits na nitang ube. So let's taste it. Yaman na. Wow! Wow! Ako kasi I'm a fan of retang mga native delicacies mga yan. Para ka na ako sasaya ko po ang ating mga kinds of flavor considering it's a milk tea, di ba? Now let's try it with a nata. Wow! Yaman na. Wow! That was really heavy. Ngayon yung panahon na ini, madakal na lang po rin milk tea siya. But if you're still considering to, you know, change your preference, you might wanna check out Happy Judah milk tea and more. So, ready for ring sample. Nalapa mong kadakal. There you have it, guys. We appreciate your time. Happy Judah is located at stall number 2 in Johnny's Supermarket. It's along Sto.Rosario Street, Angeles City. Hope you enjoy your summer. Make it more memorable with your friends. Make sure to check out Happy Judah. Thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. Let's discover more great places.